Hi, and welcome to this week's episode, Cellphone Repair. Nuva is at the cell phone store, complaining that her old phone is running out of battery too quickly. This episode is about applications of percentages in real-life situations, and what could be more relatable than having your phone run out of battery all the time? Elgarita is asking, what part of the battery has already been used? We know that when the battery is fully charged, it shows 100%, but now it shows 25%, which means the answer is 75%. Cool. Maybe Nuva should get a new phone? Here's a brochure offering 3 different deals. We need to choose the phone for which we get the greatest discount in Matific dollars. This episode is a summary of the percentages topic. Students should already know how to find the part given the whole and the percentage, so they can apply that knowledge here by finding 25% of 60 or 60% of 150 and so on and compare them. But they can also use the conceptual understanding they've developed throughout their learning journey using Matific and put some critical thinking into work. For example, the phone in the middle has the highest original price and the greatest discount percentage, so it must be the one that will save us the most money. Now we need to know which is the cheapest after discount. Wait, shouldn't the one with the greatest discount also be the cheapest? Apparently not. Let's make another mistake. We provide a visual representation of the prices to support children's understanding of the relationship between the part, the whole, and the percentage. Not only does Elgarita's store offer some sweet deals, Nuva even has some coupons. What a great opportunity to purchase 6 phones for all of her siblings. This is where the episode takes it up a notch, challenging the users with complicated problems that demand putting problem-solving skills into action. Think you can solve the challenges that follow? Go play and find out.